Hello everyone, today we're gonna make Christmas greeting card. The materials to be needed are glue, paper, sprinkles, cotton, green color sheet cutout and a brown color sheet cutout. So let's get started. First stick the brown color sheet cutout, then stick the tree to it. Then stick some sprinkles to the tree. Stick the sprinkles to the tree. Then after sticking the sprinkles, take the cotton and make ball out of it. Take the cotton ball, put some glue and stick to the blue color paper. After sticking, take a silver color pen and write Merry Christmas. So, now our greeting card is ready. Thanks for watching.